Good morning, Mr. Allen.
No, sir.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Hey, senor, hat off. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
On December 28th, 2024, the officer came to a stop behind the defendant's vehicle and the light turned green and the defendant's motor vehicle proceeded and the defendant's vehicle immediately drifted approximately halfway onto the shoulder with other motor vehicles around it before the driver jerked back into the lane. Traffic stop was then initiated and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver, and sole occupant of the vehicle. The officer observed slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, unsteadiness on feet, and an odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant admitted to consuming one alcoholic beverage and standard sobriety tests were administered. HGN 6 out of 6, the walk and turn on one leg stand could not be performed due to the defendant complaining of leg pain. The defendant was read the DIC and consented to breath. The result was 0.192. However, the defendant was unable to provide a second sample and consented to a blood draw.
Mr. Allen, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Does he have a license?
It's eligible, Your Honor.
All right. How many prior DWIs does he have?
He has one prior, Your Honor.
One? Okay. Mr. Allen, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case, and I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You have a valid license. You cannot drive unless you also have valid liability insurance in your name, and I'm now placing a restriction on your license that you are not allowed to drive any vehicle that doesn't have an ignition interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. Do you understand? I'm sending word and notice to DPS so that every police officer in the state is going to know if you get pulled over and you're driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, they're going to arrest you on the spot. Do you understand? I see that you have a lawyer. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, but you must stay in touch with Mr. Stewart and he will tell you when you have to come back to court. You don't have to waste your time coming back here, but you must stay in touch with counsel and he'll tell you when you have to come back. You understand?
So I need to wait for him now.
We're going to have you wait for him now, but after today, I'm going to waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time. We'll just have you work and do your life while we get evidence, or while he gets evidence to work the case up.
Wait for him.
Right. I'm going to have you sign a reset. I'll have you meet with Fleischer for bond conditions, and we'll just have you waiting back for Mr. Stewart to show up. Okay? Please.
Right this way. All right, Judge.